In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Hootsuite from Facebook with our complete 2025 guide. If you're ready to break free from Hootsuite on your Facebook account, follow along closely and I'll walk you through each step. First things first, we need to access Facebook settings. Start by logging into your Facebook account as usual. Once you're logged in, if you're using a desktop, you'll need to navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on the down arrow. This will open a drop-down menu. If you're on a mobile device, instead of a down arrow, you'll find a menu icon in that same corner. Once there, go ahead and click on Settings and Privacy and then select Settings from the options that appear. Now that you're in the settings, it's time to move on to Business Integrations. On the left-hand sidebar of the desktop version, you'll find an option labeled Business Integrations. If you're using a mobile device, this might be labeled as Apps and Websites. Click on it, and this will bring up a comprehensive list of all the applications that are currently connected to your Facebook account. The next step is to locate Hootsuite. Within this list, you have two options here. You can either scroll through the list of connected apps until you find Hootsuite, or if you're in a bit of a hurry, utilize the search bar, which makes things quicker and easier. Just type in Hootsuite and it should appear promptly. Once you've found Hootsuite, it's time to remove it. You'll notice a checkbox next to it. Go ahead and check that box. Over to the right, you'll see a remove option if you're on a desktop or remove app on a mobile device. Click on that and you'll be presented with another option. Delete posts, photos, and videos on Facebook that Hootsuite may have published. If getting rid of all content associated with Hootsuite is important for you, make sure to check this additional option. Afterward, proceed by confirming the removal. Finally, you want to double check that Hootsuite has indeed been removed. Revisit your list of business integrations or apps and websites. With Hootsuite successfully removed, it should no longer appear there. Additionally, any future posts that may have been scheduled through Hootsuite to appear on Facebook will stop immediately, ensuring no further integration exists. And there you have it. You've successfully removed Hootsuite from your Facebook account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for managing your online presence with ease. If you found this tutorial valuable, remember to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.